What's up, Vetters? Patrick here with Vetted. I have a UFO video that is going absolutely viral to show you. It was taken in Western Australia, Perth specifically. I'll get into all the details in just a moment, but here's a small sample of what's to come. And I am pretty flabbergasted by it. Yep, I just used flabbergasted in a sentence. It's an unusual video, I have to admit. I can see why it's going viral. So I've got all the details. Let's jump into this. Please hit that like button, Vetters. That really helps out the videos. And of course, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos every week about the UFO phenomena. Let's get this going. Now, let's look at the details of where this video started before we take a look at the actual video. So it was posted on Reddit, as you can see right here. Now let's take a look at some of the details. It says possible UAP UFO over Perth, Western Australia sighting. Time 15th of May 2025 at 6:15 p.m. Location Perth, Western Australia. The user writes, took this when I got home. Before recording, UFO went VTOL, which means vertical takeoff or landing. I do not live near any airports nor aircraft carriers. Object was moving strangely while flashing green. Near the end, lights turn off, then reappear on a different flight path. Was recommended to post this here after posting on the Perth subreddit. Captured on a Samsung S25, but made an error where I didn't upload a video on deleted post. So, all right, I don't really know what that last part means, but whatever. So they captured this on a Samsung phone, and they're saying it sort of changes in the middle. The lights go off, and then it reappears on a different flight path. So, again, let's take a look at the full, uncensored, raw video, original video of this viral UFO, right? Let's see what's going on here. Then we'll take a closer look at it, and then we'll watch it together. Now, I admit this seems a little crazy, especially when you zoom in, which is what we're going to do now. So let's take a look at parts of this video zoomed in. Take a look. All right, looks even stranger when you zoom in, I admit. Now, let's take a look at this together. All right, so I've got it queued up here. Let's start the video and let's just go through this together, y'all. What do you say? I'm gonna turn over the light. See, right there is super interesting, right? The way it's got this trail coming behind it, right? And then it just kind of dips out, pops in. I mean, it kind of looks like a comment. Boom. That's a good zoom in. It does have... Oh, what the hell? What's going on here? There we go. Oh, I mean, that looked crazy right there, right? Let's go back a little bit. I mean, look at that. Oh, wow. Yeah, I mean, that does seem kind of crazy. I can't tell if it's a camera. Is it camera artifacts? Is it happening in the sky? Let's just keep going. I mean, that part definitely looks nuts. Because it looks like a clear night. I mean, maybe there's some clouds, but it doesn't look like it's flying through the clouds. So it is behaving rather oddly, I admit. And you can hear cars in the background, so clearly this is a suburban-ish type area. I mean, that does look... It looks like, you know, the bullets in slow-mo on the Matrix, you know what I'm talking about? See, right here is where it goes from this... Right? Boop. Why did it just switch like that? But the audio doesn't change. It almost makes me think this video was edited, that the audio was added afterwards to make it seem seamless, because that is such a strange transition. How is that not edited? I mean, I don't care that it's... I'm just saying, right? Am I... Let's watch that again. Dude, what the... Why does it just go to that? Dark. Maybe the audio wasn't added after. I don't know. It just, that's weird. Something about this is definitely strange. That was just a weird cut. I don't know. It's a cut. It's a different light now. Like, it looks a little different. I mean, it's green, but it just looks like darker. I don't know. That part's not as, you know, anomalous or whatever. But I do have to admit that change is quite odd. All right, let's look at this together, but zoomed in more. I want to see it closer. I mean, boom. That is... See, it kind of went out over here and then popped up over here. I guess if it was blinking and moving, that's what it would look like. It kind of looks like the light is facing this way, right? It looks like there's something back behind it here. So it doesn't look like it's an orb, right? It doesn't look spherical. It looks like there is some sort of light source on the front. And depending on how you shoot, that can blow up and seem bigger than it is and give it a bokeh effect when it could be just simple light. It's hard to tell. But that part, that trail that it's leaving behind, could be camera artifact, but it could be what's happening in the sky as well. It reacting to the atmosphere. I mean, that does look strange. I've never seen video like this, so... The blinking is also like on a beat. Like it's like it would be blinking. It's doing the same. There's no difference in time between when the light appears and disappears, right? It's the same amount of time, like a blink. So that's interesting. And it's timed exactly like all of our blinking lights are on planes and drones and things. So it has the same timing, which is weird. But I admit, it doesn't look like any drone I've seen. I mean, it's a weird path. Because when the light's out, you just don't see anything. Except right here, you do see the trail after the light is gone, which is interesting. See, the trail kind of stays there. See, right there, that transition is so weird. Let's go back. Boom. Just went dark. I mean, is that not a cut, an edit, or something? Something just happened. And then it... How do we know this is the same light? Because now it looks completely different. It just looks darker. Could be the same video. They zoomed in, then they cut out a part or something. I don't know. I mean, that's just really all there is. But, look, I admit this, you know... Seeing it go through like that is, that's interesting. I admit. All right, y'all. I'll put a link in the description. Watch the video as many times as you want. Let me know what you think. Kind of interesting. What do you think about that cut in the middle? Is that a cut? What's going on? I don't know. Camera experts. Let me know. All right, betters. We'll see you in the next video. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace.